Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your friends all run Widgetable Sleep v2, one or later, and have accounts linked. Once done, enable location and the special Do Not Disturb exceptions so the widget can override only the agreed alerts. Next, choose a shared sleep profile and a half-hour start window. This synchronizes schedules. You do these steps now, because they let the system exchange status and permissions immediately and avoid later permission conflicts. You move into configuration. Open the Shared Sleep tab and send invites by code or contact list. That ensures only invited people join. Make sure to set privacy levels. You can share heart rate data, ETA to sleep, or only an anonymous presence, because the right choice keeps everyone comfortable. Then adjust motion sensitivity and threshold to match room conditions, since improper sensitivity causes false wake events. These choices determine accuracy and group comfort for the session. You finalize by starting only way mode. Tap it, choose sync now, and confirm everyone shows green. Once synced, the widget enforces the shared profile and routes allowed alerts. To end, tap Stop Sync and optionally export the sleep summary or schedule a repeat night. If something goes wrong, first recheck permissions, toggle Bluetooth and location, and restart the app. If that fails, remove and re-invite the affected member. This quick troubleshooting clears most sync and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.